Hey there! Experiencing frustrating interruptions with your Netgear Nighthawk extender? You are not alone. This week, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and learn how to fix packet loss on Netgear Nighthawk extender and boost your network performance. Packet loss can be a real pain, disrupting your gaming, streaming, or browsing experience. But don't worry, with the right steps, you can enhance your connectivity and enjoy smooth internet usage. Step 1. Position your extender correctly. One of the most straightforward solutions for fixing packet loss is ensuring your extender is optimally positioned. Place your Nighthawk extender midway between your router and the area with poor connectivity. Make sure it's away from thick walls, metal objects, and electronic devices that might interfere with signal strength. A clear line of sight with the router can help reduce packet loss significantly, providing better coverage. Step 2. Update firmware and software. Outdated firmware can lead to performance issues, including packet loss. Keep your Netgear Nighthawk extender updated with the latest firmware. To do this, log into your extender's web interface. Go to the Firmware Update section and follow the prompts to install any available updates. Additionally, ensure that the software on your devices is up to date to maximize compatibility and performance. Step 3. Check for network congestion. Network congestion can cause packet loss, especially during peak usage times. Review your network traffic to identify any bandwidth-heavy activities that could be causing congestion. Limit activities like large file downloads or streaming high-definition videos when other users need stable connections. You can also enable quality of service on your network to prioritize important traffic, ensuring critical applications run smoothly. Step 4. Minimize interference. Wi-Fi interference from other devices can lead to packet loss. Avoid placing the extender near cordless phones, microwaves, or other Wi-Fi networks, which can jam the signal. Switching Wi-Fi channels can also help. Access the extender settings to switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, or change the channel manually to find the most stable frequency for your environment. Step 5. Adjust security and bandwidth settings. Security settings and bandwidth restrictions might unknowingly contribute to packet loss. Verify that your network is using the latest WPA3 security protocol, providing enhanced security without compromising performance. If there's a strict bandwidth cap on your extender, adjust it to allow more data to pass through. Fine-tuning these settings can lead to improved connectivity and reduced packet loss. Step 6. Consider wired connections. If Wi-Fi remains unstable despite these efforts, consider using a wired connection. Employing an Ethernet cable can drastically reduce packet loss, offering a stable and reliable connection. Connect devices that require stable connections, like gaming consoles and streaming devices, directly to the extender via Ethernet to eliminate wireless interference. And that's how you fix packet loss on your Netgear Nighthawk extender. By positioning your extender correctly, keeping your firmware and software updated, managing network congestion, minimizing interference, adjusting security and bandwidth settings, and considering wired connections, you can enhance your network performance. While these steps help mitigate packet loss, remember that regular maintenance and network checks can prevent recurring issues. Happy surfing! Enjoy smoother online experiences, fewer disruptions.